Shemai Pawb. Hi everybody, it's Danielle from Talk and Play. I hope you're getting really excited for Christmas and you're all getting the festive spirit. Today I thought we could make a little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer craft using paper. So hopefully you're going to have lots of fun with your family making little Rudolph here. All we're going to need is some paper. I've got white and light and dark brown. If you haven't got these colours, don't worry, just use white and let the children colour them with crayons, paints, pencils, whatever you may have even. I have glue, scissors, please be careful because as we know scissors can be sharp. We're going to need some eyes, so stickers, googly eyes, draw them on with a marker, entirely up to you. I've got a marker, this is also optional, and I also have a red pom-pom. We can use sequins, pom-poms, buttons, anything you have lying around the house, but please make sure that you supervise the children, as obviously I don't want anybody choking doing this activity. So today we're going to start off using the paper. So as I said, we are going to need A5 paper. This is A5. If you don't have any A5, not to worry, just use A4. Simply fold it in half, and then that's the correct size that we're going to be using. So I've got a 5 brown card ready. So first things first, we are going to make sure these are the same size, which they are. I'm going to put the white card to the side a second. We're going to take our brown paper and we're going to fold it in half lengthways. So I'm just going to fold mine in half and crease the middle, so you should have something that looks like this. Then using your scissors, we're going to cut the A5 paper in half, like so. So then we have 2 pieces of paper. With one of the pieces, we're going to snip off a little bit more along the length. This is going to be the reindeer's face. So I'm going to have something that looks like that. Don't get rid of your construction paper, your brown paper, because we're going to need it later on to cut out a tail for Rudolph. So using the smallest bit that we just cut, we're going to roll this up and make it into, if you can see that, into a circle. It's kind of like a toilet tube roll. Using your glue, we're going to glue along the end. We're going to need lots of glue. And we're going to press it together so we have something that resembles a toilet roll tube. I'm going to place that to one side for a second. With your other long piece of brown paper, we're going to fold it, but we're not going to crease the centre fold. We're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut out a U shape. So we just show you. This is going to be the reindeer's body. So once we cut that out, we should have a shape that resembles something like his legs. So we're going to put them back together slightly. On the bottoms of the legs, we're going to fold them over because these are going to be their legs. So we need them to go opposite ways. To show you. So I don't know if you can see this one. We've got one coming this way and one going the opposite way. This is just to make sure that it stands up on the white paper that we're going to use. With our glue, we're going to glue the folded over parts of the leg, like so, and we're going to place them onto the paper. So I'm going to start with the front legs first, make sure they're nice in place, and then we're just going to slightly raise, so we have like a curved shape. The reindeer's body, you can have a little play about with this so it looks like you want it to look. So I'm going to push mine up a little bit. So it's almost like an arch shape. So something that looks a little bit like that. Using the paper, even the U shape or the long shape that we cut out earlier, we are going to cut out a tail for Rudolph. You see? I'm going to stick a little bit of glue on the end of that. And we're going to stick it to the back of Rudolph. Now, our little toilet roll tube shape, we're going to put some glue on one side of that, and that's going to be stuck on the body for Rudolph's head. So on the opposite side of the tail, push down really hard, and you might need to use a lot of glue for this and give it a bit of time to dry too. Black marker is optional, but I'm just going to colour the front to show you, but I'm going to colour in the hooves. So just something like that. Excuse my colouring, it's not in the lines and not the best, but just for you to get an idea. So it's just going to colour the front and the back, something like that, just to resemble hooves. Next, I'm going to go in with the eyes. Using my googly eyes, I'm going to pull out a few. Using the glue, just stick them to Rudolph's face. Hopefully these stick. There's one eye, and there's two. Obviously, if you haven't got anything, any googly eyes or any stickers, you can draw the eyes on or use anything around the house that you think looks a little bit like Rudolph's eyes. I'm then going to take our pom-pom, buttons, sequins, anything you may have, and I'm going to stick it in the middle for his red shiny nose. And then last but not least, I'm going to take my brown paper and I'm going to cut out some antlers. Here's ones I made earlier. I don't know if you can see them there. I'm going to snip them in the middle, place a bit of glue on each, and then just to finish off, I'm going to place them on Rudolph's head, and there you have it. A simple reindeer paper craft that you can do as a family. I hope you enjoyed our little craft today, and I hope you have lots of fun making this at home with your family. Obviously apply a generous amount of glue onto the reindeers to make sure it all sticks. You may need to give it a little bit of time to dry, but hopefully you have lots and lots of fun and you can all get really excited for Christmas. So I hope you've all enjoyed today's session, and I'll see you all soon. Hwyl fawr! Goodbye everybody!